Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. If you want to learn more about how to analyze mechanisms using analytical method, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. In this video, I am going to discuss crank rocker 4-bar linkage extreme positions using analytical method. In this picture shown a typical crank rocker mechanism. If this mechanism to be a crank rocker mechanism, it should satisfy Grashoff's criteria, that is shortest link length plus longest link length should be less than or equal to sum of other two link lengths, and also the link adjacent to shortest link, that is L1, to be fixed. So in this crank rocker mechanism, two extreme positions will occur. So the first extreme position will occur when L2 and L3 are in line as shown in figure. So in this position, theta 4 is theta 4 minimum, and this is one extreme position. Another extreme position will occur when L2 and L3 are in line, but L2 is turned to this angle as shown in figure. So in this position, theta 4 is theta 4 maximum. For the first extreme position, L2 and L3 are in line as shown in figure, and we can form a triangle here ACD. So here the angle theta 2 is equal to theta 3, and this angle let us call 180 minus theta 4, since this angle is theta 4. So the position of C can be written as Cx equal to L4 cos theta 4, Cy equal to L4 sin theta 4. Let us find all these angles using analytical method. So from triangle ACD, using cosine rule, we can write L4 square equal to L1 square plus L2 plus L3 square minus 2L1 into L2 plus L3 into cos theta 2. So after simplifying this equation, we get theta 2 equal to cos inverse L1 square plus L2 plus L3 whole square minus L4 square by 2L1 into L2 plus L3. To find angle theta 4, let us write cosine rule again. L2 plus L3 whole square equal to L1 square plus L4 square minus 2L1 L4 cos 180 minus theta 4, this angle. So after simplification, we get theta 4 equal to 180 degrees minus cos inverse L1 square plus L4 square minus L2 plus L3 square by 2L1 L4. So now we found in the previous slide theta 2, and in this slide we found theta 4. So since theta 2 equal to theta 3, and the other angle, this gamma, that is transmission angle in this position, can be found using this triangle again. So the sum of the angles in this triangle is 180 degrees. So gamma can be written as gamma equal to 180 minus theta 2 minus 180 minus theta 4. So after simplification, we get gamma equal to theta 4 minus theta 2. Now let us see second extreme position. In the second extreme position, again L2 and L3 are in line, but L2 is coming to this position. So in this position, again we form a triangle ACD, and this angle we call theta 2, and this angle is theta 3, this is gamma, and this is 180 minus theta 4, since this is theta 4. So theta 2 can be written as 180 plus theta 3. So from here to here, 180 plus theta 3. So using from this triangle ACD, again let us apply cosine rule. Using cosine rule, L4 square equal to L1 square plus L3 minus L2 square minus 2L1 into L3 minus L2 cos theta 3. So since theta 3 equal to theta 2 minus 180 degrees, so let us substitute that in this equation. We get cos theta 2 minus 180 degrees equal to L1 square plus L3 minus L2 square minus L4 square by 2L1 into L3 minus L2. So after simplification, we get theta 2 equal to 180 plus cos inverse L1 square plus L3 minus L2 square minus L4 square by 2L1 into L3 minus L2. So the position of C can be written as Cx equal to L4 cos theta 4, Cy equal to L4 sin theta 4. So theta 2 is 180 plus theta 3. So theta 3 is theta 2 minus 180 degrees. In this triangle ACD, let us again apply cosine rule to find theta 4. So L3 minus L2 square equal to L1 square plus L4 square minus 2 L1 L4 cos 180 minus theta 4, this angle. So after simplification we get theta 4 equal to 180 minus cos inverse L1 square plus L4 square minus L3 minus L2 square by 2 L1 L4. So we found theta 2 and theta 3 in the previous slide, and here now we found theta 4. Let us find other angle gamma, that is a transmission angle in this position. So gamma from this triangle ACD can be written as gamma equal to 180 minus theta 4 minus 180 theta 2 minus 180, that is theta 3. So after simplification we get gamma equal to 180 plus theta 4 minus theta 2. Now after having derived all the necessary equations, let us see this problem. In this problem we have taken L1 equal to 80 millimeter, L2 20, L3 66, L4 56 millimeters. So using this equation theta 2 is found, theta 2 is 39.22 degrees. Since in this position theta 2 equal to theta 3, so this is also theta 3. So using this equation we found theta 4 minimum, that is the first extreme position. At this position theta 4 is minimum. So theta 4 minimum is 103.82 degrees. Using this equation we found gamma is 64.60 degrees. Now in this position let us see the same problem. Here theta 2 is found using this equation. Theta 2 is 223.03 degrees. So theta 3 is theta 2 minus 180 degrees, so we can find that. And theta 4 max, that is theta 4 is maximum at this position, that is found using this equation, that is 145.91 degrees. So in this position gamma is found using this equation. Gamma is 102.88 degrees. Since it is more than it is greater than 90 degrees, so gamma max, that is a maximum transmission angle at this position, can be written as 180 minus the gamma value. So 180 minus 102.88 equal to 77.12 degrees. This is the transmission angle. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.